Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Paddock. I hope that you're doing well. Today for social studies, we're doing part 3 of our Canada booklet. For today's lesson, we're doing 2 pages. It's the next 2 pages. We're going to deal with Canadian coins and the national anthem, O Canada. So I'm going to show you the 2 pages and we're going to chat a little bit about Canadian coins and the national anthem. I've posted a couple of videos for you to watch of some Canada stories, so watch those and learn a few things about Canada. All right, here are our booklets. So the 2 pages from our Canada booklet that you're going to work on is one that looks like this. It talks about Canadian coins, and the other one is this one here. It's got the little beaver and the maple, the Canadian flag here with some musical notes. That's the national anthem for O Canada. So we're going to start off with this one first. It's called, we're going to talk about coins. Now we have 2 different types of money. We have coins, and so I've got some coins here, and we also use paper money. Right now, today, we're just going to talk about the coins. So these are the Canadian coins that we have here in Canada. And I've put them sort of in order of value. So here is a toonie, and it's worth $2. This one is called a loonie. It's worth $1. This one is a quarter. So it's 25 cents. This one is called a dime. It's 10 cents. And this one is a nickel. It's 5 cents. Okay. They all on the other side, on the face of them, they all have this lady on them. It's kind of hard to see, but her name is Queen Elizabeth II. We are still part of the Commonwealth, and she is our monarch. So Queen Elizabeth II is on the face, and on the back of the coins, it's different things. So for example, on the toonie, and it's kind of hard to see because of the shade or the light here, but there is a polar bear. The one with the loonie has a loon on it. It's a bird. This one, the 25 cents, has a caribou on it. This one for the dime has a boat. It's called the Blue Nose. And then the nickel, we've talked about this one before, it has a beaver on it. So those are our coins that we have in circulation. Circulation just means the coins that we use. Okay. Now our coins are made here in Winnipeg, believe it or not, at a place called the Royal Canadian Mint. I'm going to show you a picture of what that place looks like. Some of you may have actually seen this. It's on Lagimodiere. It's 520 Lagimodiere Boulevard, located very near us. And before COVID, you could actually go there and have a tour of the place where they actually make these coins. And all of the coins that are in circulation, so all the coins that are in use right now are actually produced right here. And there's literally billions and billions of coins produced every year here. And this place was actually established back in 1976. It's a great year because that was the year I was born. So I remember that always. So it's a cool building, and if you get a chance, once COVID is over, go and have a tour of it. It's very neat. It's a very cool place to go. So it's called the Royal Canadian Mint, and it's where the coins are made. Okay, so now we're going to look at our sheet here, and we're going to be filling these in, and you're going to color the coins afterwards. I'm going to show you how to color them later. So for the first one here, we're going to look at this one, the one with the polar bear, which is this one here. And this is called a toonie, and it's spelt like this. T-O-O-N-I-E. Toonie. It is worth $2. So this is called a toonie. So if you have to stop this at any time to write these words down, that would be great. Okay, don't worry. The next one we have here, it's the one with the loon. We actually call it a loonie. So this is called a loonie, and it's spelled L-O-O-N-I-E. Loonie. And it's worth $1. Okay, so this is a toonie. It's worth $2, and this is a loonie. It's worth $1. Next one, the one with the caribou. This is called a quarter, and a quarter is spelled Q, remember the tail, U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter, and it's worth 25 cents, quarter, okay? Next one, the one with the boat, it's called the Blue Nose boat, famous kind of racing boat. This is called a dime, dime, D-I-M-E, dime, and it's worth 10 cents. So dime, worth 10 cents. The last one, we did this one before, it's called a nickel. And nickel is spelled N-I-C-K-E-L, nickel, and it's worth 5 cents, okay? So here we go. So again, this is a toonie, the one with the polar bear. The loonie is called it's the one with the loon. It's worth $1. The quarter is the one with the caribou. It's worth 25 cents. The one with the boat on it is called a dime, worth 10 cents. The one with the beaver is called a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. Now we used to have a penny. We don't anymore. The last Canadian penny was made on May 4th, 2012. So a few years ago, the last penny was made. They found that it was just not worth it because it cost more to make a penny than a penny was worth. So they stopped making pennies. Okay, so there are the coins. We're going to talk more about coins and paper money later on, but that's just some information about that. Now, when you color yours are going to look like this. The toonie will be silver on the outside, so gray on the outside and yellow on the inside. The loonie is yellow. Then the quarter, the dime, and the nickel are going to be gray, so use the silver, so gray color, okay? So that's how you're going to color your coins. Now we're going to move on to the next one here. So here is our O Canada. Now your sheet will look like this. It'll be kind of blank, of course, but you're going to color the beaver, the Canadian flag, and the musical notes. And we're going to listen to the words of our national anthem. And it goes like this. O Canada, O Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all of us command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. There you go. My not very good singing, but you know what it is. So that's the song. All of you should start to learn how to sing it. The O Canada was first sung back in June 1880, but it was not proclaimed as our national anthem until July 1st, 1980, about 100 years later. Now, there was one change that was made. This part up the top where it says "in all of us" command, that was actually changed back in 2018. It now became a gender-neutral song. It used to say in all thy sons command, and they're like, hey, it's not only boys, so they've changed it to in all of us command. So that got changed in 2018. Okay, so those are the two worksheets that we're working on today in part 3. So please finish those up, and then I'll check them out tomorrow, okay? And that's it, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I love you, I miss you, and we'll talk to you soon.